Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. A very warm welcome to all of you. My name is Parul P. Agarwal and today I am here to do a pick a pile reading about what you can expect in the next 3 months. So please note that this is a timeless reading. So anytime you happen to read this or see this video, this reading is meant for you. So we have three piles here which I'm just going to show you in a while, and all you need to do is center yourself, take a deep breath, and choose the pile which you are drawn towards. Please note that this is a collective reading, so take what resonates and you can leave the rest. Also, the timestamps for each of the pile is mentioned in the information below, so you can directly skip this introduction and you can head towards your timestamp. So let me show you the piles. So here we are. Here, this is a pile 1. This is pile 2. This is pile 3. We also have a crystal on each pile. So either you can choose the pile intuitively or you can choose the crystal if you are drawn towards it. Let me show you the crystal. Pile number 1 has got a very beautiful orange color crystal. Here it goes. Pile number 2 has got a green color crystal. And pile number 3 has got a black color crystal. So either you can even pause this video for a second and you can choose your pile, or you can simply choose the crystal, and then we will start with the pile number 1. Okay. So let me keep the pile number 2 and pile number 3 for a while, and let's start with pile number 1 with this beautiful orange crystal. Okay, let me show you the cards. So here we have Knight of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, Eight of Pentacles, we have the Death card here. I also have some Oracle cards, Brothers and Sisters, Doubt, Your Children Are Watched by Angels, and finally, the Creator. All right, so now let's start and understand the meaning of these cards. All right, in terms of your career, finances, relationships, health, overall. Okay, so we have some very positive cards here. The surrounding energies of all these cards are very, very positive. So here we have this Knight of Pentacles, which is all about hard work, focus, perseverance. So these are the key words for your career right now. So know that all the efforts and all the hard work that have you been putting in for a very long time is now time to reap in those rewards. So you can slowly expect to move towards your goal, and you can continue to take those baby steps which you have been taking. And there is a very good possibility that, in terms of your career, so in case you had been looking for an opportunity, so know that there is a good time that you may receive an opportunity from someone in terms of career, finance, or money. Also, there is a very good chance that your finances, which may have been stuck recently, so now is the time that your finances are going to pick up slowly and steadily. Also, in case you have been contemplating some kind of investment, so know that this is the time for taking a tried and tested policy rather than taking a big risk. So you should avoid taking big risk, and you should only consider all your options thoroughly before making an investment. Um, also know that the basically the line here is, whatever you have started, this is the time to first finish all your work. So this is not the time to leave your work in between. Also, it will be a good idea to see your projects from a different perspective or a new light. So that means that It is time to add or infuse a little more creativity in your work, or you can simply think out of the box to reap in appreciation, and to reap in more results for your projects. Also in terms of relationship, the spirit is asking you to check your relationships, check your expectation and all your connections. So when I say check your expectations, it simply means that, are you dependent upon your partner for your happiness? Are you expecting your partner to fulfill all your desires or to make you happy? Or are you expecting your partner to do whatever it takes to give you that emotional fulfillment? Then if you are doing so, then please know that you will be clearly disappointed, because nobody but you is responsible for your own happiness. So spirit is asking you to take a very fresh perspective on all your connections. Please note that in case there has been some toxic patterns, for all those who had been in some kind of toxic relationship, or if has been some toxic pattern in the past, it's now time to let it go. Okay, the singles have also got a good chance to meet someone new in this next 3 months. And you may also, there is a very good chance that a single may meet their potential partner, or their perspective, their partners, in through a workplace, or through some project, or while some traveling. So singles have a very good chance of meeting someone new here. Health is good overall, but then you basically need to watch your lifestyle. So in case this is a time for making healthy choices, to make changes in your diet, in your lifestyle, and simply add a little more activity in your daily routine. uh, Overall, this is a time for new beginnings. So all those things which have not been serving you in the past, this is now time to let go of all of them. And spirit is giving you a new opportunity, a new is giving you a new chance to start something new. And so it is time to cleanse yourself of all the toxic things in the past. um, we also have some oracle cards here. So the brother and sister cards is telling me that in case uh, you have been facing some kind of friction in your relationships with your with your colleagues, or with the people in general, then this card is telling me that it's time to treat everyone with compassion, treat everyone with love. uh, know that every single person who comes in your life has got a higher purpose, and so do not try to take everything personally. Each person who does something which is not in compliance to what you believe, okay, so maybe serving a lesson that you may not understand now, but just know that it is in your higher best. Also, in case you have been having the feelings of doubt, then the cards are telling you to free yourself from any kind of self doubt and any kind of burdens. You don't have to carry the expectations of others. Know that it's just on you to give your 100% to something, and that is all you need to do. So basically, the thing is that instead of doubting yourself, you just need to go out, show up, give your 100%, and just leave it on the divine for the rest. Okay. So the next card, the children are watched by angels. So this card means that in case you have been wondering about the well-being of your family members or your children, then know that the angels are taking care of your family. They are being watched over, and so you don't have to worry about your family, because know that your loved ones are safe, you are safe, and you are loved, and you are protected. Finally, this card tells me that always remember that you are the creator of your own destiny. So you have the power to change your story anytime around. So in case there is anything in your life that you feel that needs changing. So now is the good time to do and make that change. So that's all about pile number one. In case you have resonated with the reading, then you can simply leave a small comment in the, you can leave a small comment or any kind of feedback. So with that, I will head towards the pile number two. Thank you. All right. Hello to all, pile number two. So here we have this, if you have chosen this green crystal or the pile 2, then this is the reading for you. Let me open the cards for all of you. Okay. So we have the High Priestess, Nine of Pentacles, Temperance, Four of Wands. I also have some oracle cards here. That's Love Heals Fear. Then I have Courage, Energy Healing Work, and finally Rightness. All right, so let's start and understand what these cards mean for all of you. So first of all, I must say that I have got a very interesting and very positive cards here. 2 out of 4 cards, tarot cards are major arcana. So obviously this first 3 months, the coming 3 months are going to be very significant for pile number 2. Okay, so now we have High Priestess, we have Nine of Pentacles, we have Temperance, and we have Four of Wands. So the energy surrounding all these cards is very, very positive. So in terms of career and in terms of finance, money, know that a lot of great opportunities are coming your way. So in case you have been wanting to start something new, and in case, so know that the spirit is giving you that opportunity to explore your talent and to move ahead with your passion. Also this is a time to this is also at the time to take responsibility. So the next 3 months will be very action packed, so you will be very busy fulfilling your responsibilities, and this is a good time to explore your talents. It's a good time. So in case of investments, in case of decisions, the spirit is asking you to be very careful before you take any decisions, because you need to see both sides of the story, before both sides of the coin, before you come to any kind of conclusion. Spirit is saying that trust your intuition to before taking any taking any investment decision. Also money is the money, the finances which were stuck, so you can slowly expect finances taking up a positive direction. So you can expect money gains. Also, in case you have been contemplating to buy a property, then this is a good time to invest in a property, or sell a property, because the money from that property will be good. You can expect some gains from properties. All the professionals, so this for professional, this is the next 3 months are specifically good for all of you, and it's now time to hone your skills and to show your capabilities. You will be rewarded, you will be appreciated for your skills, for your work. The work may also give you a chance to travel. It may be local, or it may be somewhere out of station, so you may get good chance to travel. Also I can see that you are starting or building some new foundations. So you may expect some project completions coming in. You may expect some reason to celebrate, some celebrations. You can expect some social gatherings. You can expect some achievements or celebrations coming your way. So this is the period where you will be a little more social, and your social life will be good. In terms of your relationships are steady, but the spirit is asking you to fill your cup first in order to be more loving in your relationships. So it is very essential that you understand that to be able to have more loving and more understanding relationships, it is important that you understand your own needs first, what exactly you want in your relationship. And it is important to take responsibility for loving yourself first. So only when you fill your cup first, then you will be able to pour and share all that love with your partner. It's a good time to pamper yourself. It's a good time to indulge in all those things that makes you feel good. You can, you anything that makes you feel good. So it's a good time to indulge in all those activities. For all those who had been suffering, or maybe they were having some kind of health problems, so good news is coming your way. Health is improving, recovery is on its way, healing is on its way. So we have got very positive cards in terms of health. So you can now expect, in case you have been struggling with your health for some time, so now is the time that you can expect recovery and healing. Also, it's a good time to maintain a work life balance. So do remember to keep everything in moderation, and do not try and just stick to one direction in your life. So just focus on the overall abundance. So that's what the Miss cards are telling me. Then we have the oracle cards here. So the love heals fear. So in case you have been fearful about something, in case you have been fearful about your decisions, then know that this is the time to be courageous. This is the time to trust your intuition, and know that your love for that thing should be greater than your fear for that thing. Love has the power, love has the tendency to heal your fear, and ask the divine to give you the courage that you require. And know that in case if there's anything in your current situation right now, which is little stressful, then know that spirit is asking you to keep going. Don't give up now, because your the spirit is telling you that you don't have to worry. All will be well. You just need to ask for that divine guidance, and you can expect and you can feel that that support, that love of your angels around you. Also, energy healing work is telling me that it's now time to surround yourself with healing energy. So in case if you can meditate, that this is a good time to meditate, connect with your angels, and heal yourself, so that you are able to receive the love and light from all your uh, from the beings, from the light beings, and from your angels. Also, this card is telling me, the card rightness is telling me that your hard work and your patience is soon going to pay off. So just don't give up right now, keep going. Your efforts and rewards are on its way, and you will soon get whatever you have been waiting for a very long time, and it will be a very well deserved reward. So I hope you could resonate with the reading. So that's all I have for pile number 2. So let me now head towards pile number 3. In case you have resonated with the reading, please do leave a small comment or a feedback. That will be really appreciated. So now let me start with the pile number 3. All right. Hello, pile number 3. So in case you have chosen this beautiful black crystal, then this reading is for you. Okay, so now I have the cards. Let me just open the cards for you. I have 7 of Wands, 3 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Justice, Then I have some oracle cards here. Exercise, contentment, write about your thoughts and feelings, the lovers. All right, pile number 3. So let's start and understand what these cards mean for you. So we have some very beautiful energies here. So I can see there are a lot of vans here. So I can see a lot of passion, enthusiasm. So let's start with what these cards means in terms of your career and finances. So I see an upswing in your finances in the next 3 months. uh, this is the time to, like, all those who had been waiting for their projects, or for all those who had been waiting for some kind of news, so know that you are going to receive it very soon. uh, in case, all those who have been involved in some kind of project, or in some kind of, I can see some obstacles arising, but I can also see that if you take your stand, if you are courageous enough to stick to what you believe in, then you can very easily, you can clear those obstacles, and you can head towards your path. This is now the time to take action, and this is now the time to stand up for what you believe in. I can see some good money opportunity coming your way. Also, all those who had been involved in some kind of legal matters can expect some favorable news. Any kind of legal matter or something related to law, authority, government, any kind of work that had been stuck for a very long time, you can expect a favorable result or a movement in those stuck cases. In terms of relationship, your relationships are steady. I can see some deepening of the I can see deepening of bonds here. So all those who are in a relationship and are contemplating a commitment or a marriage, or some people who are already in marriage, who are wondering about starting a new family, know that now is the good time to do so. So your relationships are going to be supportive, they are going to be loving, so they will help you in fostering forward towards your goals. I can also see, for singles, I can also see some marriage proposals coming in. I can see singles meeting someone new. Mostly it would be a marriage proposal, or somewhere, if you can meet someone through some work or money, or basically work. All right. So overall, I can see health is good. Health is not a problem, health is good. I can also see that, in case some of you had been struggling with some kind of disease, so you can expect relief coming in, you can expect some kind of healing coming in. Overall, I see a very fair and balanced period. So I can expect you will be involved in whatever, all those who had been so this is the time for basically the cause and effect. So it's like whatever you have sown in, you can expect to reap in that. All those things which you had done in the past, now is a good time to reap those rewards. Health wise, I would say the card is telling that, to add a little more exercise in your lifestyle. So this is a good time to move your body, to simply, if you cannot, obviously, because of because of the situation, even if you are not able to go outside, then it would be a good time to do some kind of exercises at your home, or you can add, or you can adopt some kind of regime, or make a little change in your lifestyle. Also, the card contentment is telling me to be grateful for what you have, because it's only when you are grateful for what you have, you can multiply your blessings. All right. So you can ask for more things only by appreciating what you all have. right now. So remember to be grateful for all that you have, for cherish all your blessings, and be contented with it. Okay. um, in case, at times when you will be, at times you are triggered, at times you are unable to decide, or at times you're not able to see clarity in whatever you are doing, then it is a good idea to write down your thoughts and feelings. So it's a good thing to journal your feelings. Also, in case you have been under some kind of dilemma, or in case there is some choice that needs to be made, then know that writing exercise will be a very good thing. You can simply write down why you want something, and then go deeper and deeper to understand that what is the underlying root cause that is kind of that is motivating you to do that thing. Okay. And when you understand that purpose better, you will be able to push yourself harder, and you will be able to motivate yourself better. Also, you will be able to set clear expectations in all your relationships. So I hope you all resonated with this reading. That's all I have for pile number 3. In case you have liked this reading, please take a little time. Please, you can leave a small message, comment, or a feedback. That will be really appreciated. I will be back soon with another pick a pile reading. Till then, I wish all of you a very great year ahead, and God bless you all. Love and light, Parul P. Agarwal signing off.